Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffy back with another video. All right, y'all, we doing some good old cooking, old school. It's y'all about it. Y'all already seen by the title and the picture. We're gonna do some old school smothered turkey necks, y'all. Y'all know I'm not a big fan of turkey, but the two parts I love, three parts really. I like the turkey necks, turkey wings, and the turkey butts or the turkey tails. That's the only thing I ain't gonna take. You have them turkey drumsticks, you can have that turkey breast. I don't want nothing to do with that. Give me the turkey wings, turkey necks, and the turkey tails, and I'll eat them all day long. So I'm gonna smother these, y'all. I think I did one on barbecue, but I went to my favorite meat market here in Houston and got them. They had them on sale, I think 99 cents a pound. Turkey necks, and I had them cut them to this size, and that's like one portion on your plate right there. And they cut them up for you however you want them. And I washed them all really good. I got my oil heating up here on my pot over here. And what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna put them in this bowl here. And we're gonna kind of season them up. Then we're gonna add a little flour to them. All in this bowl right here. And we'll put all my favorite seasonings on here, y'all. Hold on just a second. My spoon here. I'm gonna put some salt and white pepper. Y'all know I do my kosher salt. White pepper on here, a little bit more. I got my sweet or spice here, Uncle Steve shake here, or old school shake, how you want to say it. I use a sweet or spice here. That's the name of it. Go to UncleSteveShake.com. Ask for the sweet or spice here. Put Chef Jeffrey Old School Soul Food in a special instruction box, and you'll get my pretty label on there with my brand. He'll put that on there for you, so he'll know you one of the Old School Soul Food family members. He treats y'all extra special. He might throw in something extra in there for y'all. He's known to do that. So we're gonna mix this up by hand. Get that all mixed up. You want it real well seasoned. You know already, and I tell you all the time, turkey is bland. Big time bland. It's one of the blandest meats you ever eat. So that might look like a lot of seasoning, but believe me, it don't. It's not. Cavenders is not really salty. The sweet or spicy is not really salty. It's just adding flavor. Let me turn my oil down over here a little. Okay, what I'm gonna do, give me 1 second, y'all. I gotta get my little bag ready. Give me 1 second, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, y'all. All I'm gonna do, y'all, is hold on, y'all. Let me get organized again here. Put my tongs in the water. No, I'm gonna need my tongs here to turn over these turkey necks. Okay, I'm gonna just put them in my. I just got some regular AP flour, y'all. I'm gonna dust it in the AP flour using my. Oh, y'all know my dusting bag method. Move y'all over here. I got some hot grease heating up here in the pot. And we're just gonna sear these off. Get a nice sear on them. Just want to brown them off on each side, all the sides there. We're gonna take them out. We're gonna put our onions in there, and then we're gonna make a nice little brown gravy. Like I said, we're gonna have some nice smothered turkey necks here. Okay. Get everything else kind of organized here, y'all, and we're gonna come back once I get pretty much all of them seared off there, browned off, however you want to say it. Probably browned off is better, because I got flour on them. Once I get them browned off, we'll come back and we'll show you the next step. Old school smothered turkey necks. We're gonna have some white rice with that. Look what I got here. I'm gonna bake off me some, y'all know what I'm making with that. I'm gonna make me some candy yams. My sweet potatoes are already baked off. I'm gonna have some candy yams, some white rice, might do some peas with that. Or some green beans or however. We'll see. It's gonna have a whole old school soul food plate today, y'all, to put you to sleep. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, we got these pretty much seared off here. You see these right here, y'all? That's what you want. Want them brown. Just want to get a nice brown on them. That's what's gonna make the gravy get the color of the gravy there. Okay. All right. Take these out here. Got a little oil in there, y'all. And we're gonna throw the onions in here, y'all. Get these nice and caramelized in there. As Emerald say, get those yum-yums out the bottom of that. The liquid from the onions will definitely a little bit more oil in here. So I need some for we gotta make our roux here. So we're gonna get these sauteed up in here. We're gonna have some smothered onions with them. I'm out of garlic. At this point, you can add garlic if you want to. I'm out of garlic right now, so I won't be putting no garlic. I'll put maybe some garlic salt in there, but I'll just omit it. I got enough salt. So garlic, I can take it or leave it. Some people love garlic. If you do, like I say, just put you some in there. Okay, just gonna cook them just slightly, y'all, because you know they're gonna cook in the oven a lot. Now, next thing, dirty flour lady. See how you know the dirty flour lady hasn't made an appearance. You don't know what? Look, I left a turkey thing in here, y'all. Let me put this in here and sear it off right quick. So, I left one in the bag. I thought I had to use them all up. So we're gonna improvise here, y'all. Of course, I ain't gonna be able to brown it like I should. I had one left in the bag there. See if I can brown it as best I can here, y'all. Best I can. But like I said, while I was rudely interrupting myself, the dirty flour lady get ready, because we should add some dirty flour to this. And what I mean by dirty flour, y'all, I'm using the same flour left over from where I breaded that I seared off the turkey next. And one lady years ago, people been here a while, they know what I'm talking about, she made a comment that I shouldn't be using the same flour left over from breading the chicken or whatever I was, pork chop, whatever I was doing. I shouldn't be using that same flour to make gravy because that's dirty. You should get fresh flour. And that's what the dirty flour lady joke come from. Like they say, some people that have no knowledge of what they talking about should just be silent, you know. Like they used to say, my mama used to say, my daddy used to say, sometimes you need to not show people how foolish you is by opening your mouth. Sometimes it's best to be silent so you don't be looking foolish. So, anyway, we're going to sear this off just a little. It won't be seared off as much as the other ones. I want to get a little sear on it, y'all. And then we're going to add our flour to this. There we go. We got a little sear on there. I didn't want to put it in there completely raw. I mean, it's raw, but I mean completely without a searing. Okay. We got a nice caramel onions here. Look at that. How pretty those are, y'all. Look how pretty this is. This TI is. Okay. Nice caramelization. Got all them yum-yums out the bottom of that, y'all. That's all flavor there, y'all. That's all flavor. Now, just go in here with our dirty flour. Dust it in there like that. I can hear her now telling her husband, honey, Jeffrey over here using that dirty flour again. He ain't learned his lesson. He gonna kill somebody with that dirty flour. I can hear her now, y'all. She ain't called me. Okay. A little bit more in there, y'all. We're gonna have a nice heavyweight, what they call it, heavyweight gravy. A little oil in here, not much, y'all. We don't put too much oil. We don't want it oily. But we do want it to kind of cook down a little and give it a little color. We ain't making gumbo roux, but we still want to give it a little color to this. There we go. Okay, now that's all the flour we're gonna need for that. Now let me get I'm gonna make me some chicken stock for this. There's no such thing as turkey stock. We're gonna make a chicken stock. Okay, stir this around, y'all. Got a nice little color on here, y'all. Nice little color there. We got our flour in there. What we're doing is gonna make a nice color so our gravy have that nice, deep, natural color to the gravy. I don't add no colorings or nothing to it because you got the brown. See how brown those onions are? And the turkey necks, you see how I got a nice brown on that. So anyway, we're gonna add our water to this. And our chicken base. And I use Knorr chicken base. If people wondering what chicken base I use KNOR, Knorr. That's the kind of chicken base I use. So we're gonna kind of get this all incorporated in there. Then we're gonna add our American soy sauce, aka Worcestershire sauce. Or my buddy Chef Kenneth would say W sauce. Okay, let me get my Worcestershire sauce here. I've told y'all the story before when I go in my cabinet and I grab Worcestershire sauce. I told you the story before, and I did it even in reverse. I grabbed Worcestershire sauce and thinking I'm putting Worcestershire, just putting it in like I'm doing right now. To find out it's vanilla flavor in there. So I had vanilla flavored gravy, and I did it in reverse with the cakes, y'all. Making the cake, good and grab thinking it's vanilla, pour it in there, it's Worcestershire sauce in my cake batter. I've done it. I ain't gonna sit here and sugarcoat. I'm perfect. Now I have done that, y'all. So, and the crazy thing, I have them sitting side by side in my pantry. So that's ain't nobody's fault with mine. If I separated, put it in different spots of the kitchen, it wouldn't happen. But I've done that, y'all. And show that on my blooper reel. Okay. See how pretty that is, y'all? I'm gonna add a little bit more liquid. So you know that's gonna cook down. But it's gonna cook in the oven for 2 hours, y'all. So I'm gonna add enough liquid where it's gonna naturally thicken up. You'll see when I take it out of the oven, it's gonna naturally thicken up because of the residual flour on the turkey necks already, and then the flour in here. So all I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take the turkey necks. I'm just gonna put them back in here, y'all, just like this. Just like this. And we're gonna let them smother. It's gonna take about 2 hours. Could I put this in the Instant Pot? Most definitely. But we going old school for y'all. Got some people out there don't have an Instant Pot yet. If y'all don't have an Instant Pot, why y'all don't have an Instant Pot? Y'all, I'm gonna mess with y'all. Y'all ain't got an Instant Pot by the 2023 is over. Y'all ain't gonna get no good recipes. Because I'm gonna do all Instant Pots from now on 2024. So I'm giving y'all an opportunity to get your Instant Pot purchased this year. So all my recipes in 2024 are gonna be Instant Pot. Everything, even them baked cakes in them. I'm just kidding, y'all. I'm gonna still do old school. A lot of people can't afford Instant Pot. Okay, we're gonna cover this up, y'all. We're gonna put it in the oven for 2 hours. 2.5 hours till this meat is falling off the bone tender. And in the meantime, I'm gonna make me some white rice here. I got my candy yams I told you I'm gonna make. I might give me some peas or maybe some green beans or string beans to go with it. But anyway, it's gonna be definitely an old school meal today. So anyway, y'all, we will be right back when they cut out the oven. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. It's been 2 hours in the oven here. Let's open this bad boy up. Let me show y'all what we got here, y'all. Let me show you. See that gravy, natural gravy in there it made? Nice thick gravy. See how thick it got? And what I told y'all, you didn't have to, that residual flour on the turkey necks, wings. I keep saying wings, y'all. Turkey necks will definitely, let's take one up here and show y'all how tender they are. Pick one up in here. Let me get a fork here. Kind of show y'all. Then I'm gonna set me and get me a plate here. Show you how that meat just comes off of there. See how that meat just coming off of there, y'all? Look at that. Let me get this one here. Look at that meat. It's tender. See how it just coming off of there? So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna step off here. Let me give it a little taste, and I gotta get my whole plate set up. I'm gonna show y'all what I got to add with it. I got me some rice here. For white rice. Peas there. Got some peas. Get my candy yams over here. Look at that. That's a full meal deal. Full meal deal, y'all. So anyway, I'm going to step off here. Get my plate set up here. Do my world famous YouTube thumbnail. We're going to hit up here and we're going to taste up some smothered turkey necks. And a little white rice on there. Some English peas and some candied yam. Y'all need some cornbread, which I got some in the freezer, but for my tasting, I'm going to just show y'all the main thing, the turkey neck smothered. So anyway, y'all, we will be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Let me get my fork here. Let me get a little hot sauce. Hold on, y'all. Let's have some hot sauce with your turkey necks, y'all. Let me show y'all my plate here. Got the turkey necks on there with that good gravy. Got me a little candy yams on there. Y'all know my old school candy yams. Got a video on that many times. Little English peas there. That's a full plate right there. All I need is my cornbread, right? All I need is the cornbread. Okay, let's get a little meat off here. See how it just that meat just comes off that turkey neck. People, turkey neck get a bad rap, y'all. I'm telling you. People don't think of turkey necks when they go to smother. And turkey neck got a lot of meat on them. Look at that bite right there, y'all. Look at that right there. We're going in here. I'll put you sleep type meal. A candy yam. Y'all already know about my candy yam, don't you? Very simple. Just search old school candy yam. If you've never seen the video, best candy yam you ever taste it. It literally melts in your mouth. Okay, let's give me another good bite here with the English peas. How that meat just comes off there, y'all. Some peas on there. Look at this bite right here. Look at that bite. Go in with the. That's a meal on Sunday. I'll put you to sleep after church right there, y'all. One more bite. I'll say the candy yam. A little bite of turkey necks. White rice. Get that meat off of that. That's a lot of meat on that turkey. Look at that, y'all. You know what? It was so good, y'all. I forgot to put my hot sauce on there. That's okay. When the camera closed, video go off, it's on in this kitchen, y'all. But you can eat just the rice with the gravy. That good heavyweight gravy on there with the rice. Look at that. Get some rice and gravy. Rice perfectly cooked, not mushy, not overcooked. I told you it's a 2-to-1 method. Two parts liquid, 1 part rice when you're cooking rice. Bring it to a boil, to the water almost evaporate, cover it up and set it on the stove and let it sit 30 minutes. You got nice fluffy white. I've told y'all that many times before. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.